first, I have to log on to all this stuff.
What? Are you doing ring TV?
Yeah. Okay, do you have that? Okay, very good then.
I have no. Not yet. No, I appreciate that, but I'm not ready for that yet. Be careful with that chandelier right there. Okay, your pudding is getting close, babe.
Okay, thank you. For real, poor guy.
Alright, well that was only 5 o'clock dinner. Didn't include 3 o'clock meal or 7 o'clock meal, but hopefully that will last them for an hour or two.
Yeah, for real.
Addie, I need to borrow my computer to finish the application. Can you bring it down? Thank you.
I want something else. What is up? What is up? We are hitting up the chat. We're going to go ahead and start now. Get our Tradeify up here. Something else. I'm in already? Well, it's just in the band phase. 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 Okay. Here we go. Here we go. It's time to go, everybody. We are entering the NQ. We're coming at you live. And I'm going to go ahead and get a different player this time. Holy smokes. Whoa. We are going to be trading NQ, MNQ, MANQ. And looks like we're having some drops. I'm going to watch the 5-minute chart here. Kind of see how things are going. See how things are playing out. Here's the thing, guys. This thing can go higher or lower. It just depends on... Well, actually depends on a lot of factors. Bye, Tasha. Love you. Coming at you, WNBC. I think we got our mics working right now. Here, play for me. So that way I don't get banned, kicked out. All right, we are just going to be doing some trading here. Thank you to our guy in the chat for telling me the mic's not working. Hopefully the mic is working now. We are up and running, ready to rock and roll. Trading some futures, that's for darn sure. I'm gonna have to check that more often. Yes, sir. Okay, did you pick somebody for me? Or did I just die? Okay. Hopefully we got our sounds going on now. Nice, nice, very nice. Yeah, go ahead, tell me, buddy. What? Here, plug this in over there. Right over, like where you plug in everything else.
Guys can hear me say yes in the chat.
We are trading on Tradeify because Tradeify is the right one to trade on, I think. At least it's free.
You guys can hear me say yes in the chat.
I think they can. Okay, we're offense now. So we gotta pick if we're attacking, if we're defending. Okay, it looks like we have a little bit of a bear flag kind of showing up right now. I am trading in the Grand Cup.
Guys, go in the chat if you say yes in the chat. You can hear me.
No. Put that back. Oh my goodness. You gotta let that one charge there, buddy. Okay, how much do you guys want to bet that this is gonna dump right now? TradeC is pretty decent. I like Tradeivate because you can enter really fast and exit really fast. TradeC is pretty similar to that. You can exit and enter, but since I use Tradeify, and I started with Tradeivate, I just kind of know it. I've also used TradingView, but my entries were delayed because it just goes to Tradeivate. You don't get a lot of the cool indicators on Tradeivate that you do with the other ones, but you know, you can come in here and find some different trading indicators. Let's see what we got. We got volume. I was playing around with one the other day. I got my VWAPs, got my EMAs. We are far from any VWAPs. We are far from any EMAs right now. And we're dealing with China open, and we all know how that goes. Look at that. See what I mean? We have a very, very clean bear flag right here. Let me put my line up here and just kind of show what level of support we have down here at the bottom. You know, I actually haven't charted. I was too busy working on this to chart. But yeah, let's get a dump. Am I brave enough to take one right now? I don't know. If we go to, this is the most fun part of this. I'll bring this over. Hopefully we can see this in the live stream. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so here are the rankings right now. So we have poop bets. Number 1, 57. I'm all the way down here because I haven't placed a trade yet at 4,000, and I'm trying to get into the top 1,000. If you know what this is the qualifier stage of the Tradeify Grand Cup, and you are trying to be one of the 1,000 in there, so that way you can go to the second group stage. And when you're at the second group stage, you can face some of the outlaws, where there's a $5,000 prize if you beat one of like the 27 outlaws that they have in there. And I'll be honest with you guys, it's do or die right now. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, and while we're doing this, I also am playing a little Rainbow Six Siege. Yeah, see, look at that support line down there. I'm on the 15-minute right now. Let's go to the 5-minute. Let's see what we got. If this breaks the 936 area, I'm going to take a sell. Maybe put on that bad boy. And I'll take that all the way to farts. Oh my goodness. Do we have any levels here that we're going towards? Maybe this one. Let me mark this. All the way over. There we go. Come on now. We'll keep you going. Yeah. Nope. It's not the right level. So, yeah, we're feeling pretty putty right now. Supply and demand's pretty decent. I mean, if I'm working right now, I usually like to trade New York opening orb, do the 15-minute orb. Right now, since it's the Tradeify Cup, I'm kind of doing a little bit of continuation. Continuation is just where you kind of see volume go higher. You kind of see what the market's doing, and you kind of just write it down to the next defined area. Now the market has been bullish as of late, and so I would avoid puts, but looking at what we're looking at right now, we're opening Asia market with puts. It's looking very, very bearish, but it's not wanting to break that. So I don't know. I think so we have a decrease in volume going down. I think that's going to bounce reject. So if I were going to trade that, let me look at how many points I want to get here. Since it's Asia market, we're not really trading for very much. It's MNQ. I'm going to go with a half. We do 5 here. Just kind of see what we got. Go to the 1-minute chart. Yeah, it wants to continue down, but how many points would that get me? See, 5, 4, 3, 6. Okay, I mean, I could get potentially over 10 points. That's not too shabby. But look at the volume. On the 1-minute chart, the volume is increasing. Oh, that's going to pop up. I don't feel good about that trade. I'm just now jumping in, so I'm not going to make it. I'm not going to make that trade, but if I were to call it, oh, there's a rejection. That's the problem with momentum trading, is you think it's going to go one way, and then boom, you just get giantly rejected. So if I would have taken a sell there, I would have set my stop loss at 440. I'm just kind of talking this one out too. So I would have set my stop loss probably right here. So technically I wouldn't have hit it yet, but I do not like the way that one is set up to look. So yeah, it would stop me out. And you would think, well, why don't I just get on that momentum shift up? And oh, I mean, it's nice. What time is it? 5:45. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that go. See, that right there, at least on the 1 minute chart, is what we call a bounce. Yeah, get me some water. Yeah, you go get me some water. No, no, sir, you get me some water. Oh, children, they always do what we don't want them to do. Look at that bad boy go up. Wow. Yeah. Man, if I would have taken that trade, I would have entered right there at 950. 7 else. I would have been a 20-point trade, but look at it's just rejecting off of that too. So we might be entering some chop. You know, I'm gonna watch this for a little while longer because I don't like just jumping in that quick on the Asia market because Lord knows it's not the best to do. And then while we're out here, what are we on, 5 minute? See, that's not. So if we're doing the 15-minute, let me check out the 15-minute at opening, and I'll mark that. Although it's intraday for Asia market to do the orbs, I probably don't want to do that. But we have a lot of room up here to gain back. There was one I was playing with. Let's see if it works. My drawing tool. Let's go to volume profile. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so that's the volume profile tool, and it's going to tell you where there's lots of orders that really need to be taken. So if it's gone down here, if there's lots of orders up here, we're going to want a retracement on back, because even if we go lower, the banks are going to want to sweep those and get that liquidity out. Now, if we do that, we got to mark the 15-minute. Coming at you live. We are just trading live right now. If you're into trading like I am, then you know that trading live is a blast and a half. So we're going to go ahead and mark our 15-minute Asia opening orb. That's the opening range breakout. Looking for that. You can see here, that's the 15. Now that I have that marked, let's go ahead and just analyze that. Okay, so you can see it was going down, and then boom, that 5-minute candle broke out of the orb. I should have been playing with that one. And then went all the way down. That would have been, at that candle close, if you would have had your entry right there, it would have been 64, and you would have gotten to, let me see that. Yeah, 0.064, and you would have hit up 974, so almost a 100-point move if you would have taken that orb trade. Now, I think we have lots of room to the upside to get back to. Do I want to risk it right now? Maybe, maybe not. That's the thing, you know, we can go higher, we can go lower on this one. Oh, I've been trading for a little bit less than a year, and I consider myself kind of profitable with a couple of different payouts, but you know, profitability, you have, I can make it to where I have about 6 or 7 green days, and I'm scalping. I mean, I am scalping like crazy. This is gonna go back up and reclaim. There's a lot of orders to fulfill here. Anyways, I'm scalping like crazy, and then I'll have a day where I just kind of go nuts and kind of YOLO it, and I'll have a loss. But my strategy is really to scalp, scalp, scalp. I'm not trying to have any big winners here. I don't want to trade more than 2 to 3 times a session. You got to keep your stop losses pretty tight. I don't know, man. All the things that everybody tells us about trading, they're all true. But the bottom line, though, is you got to just get kind of a good, flow for things. A good kind of, just get a flow for how things are maybe going a little bit. This right here, this volume profile, this one has helped me out significantly over time because it tells me where people are, where the market makers are going to want to go in order to sweep liquidity. Here's the thing that I've learned is you can't sweep liquidity if there's no liquidity to sweep, and there's no liquidity to sweep when there's no order. So right here, there's really nothing to sweep. So market makers could go lower, but if you look up here, there's a ton of liquidity to sweep. Like, they really want to sweep this, but everybody knows that, and so they might want to tap down here a couple more times. I'm just looking at an entry. I might do an entry on a pullback here. Let me take a look. I don't want to get left behind. I'm going to grab some water. I'll be right back. Gonna grab some water. Gonna be right back, chat. Coming at you, WBC. FOMO, fear of missing out. Nah, there's never FOMO. Sometimes it goes off, sometimes it doesn't go off. And, you know, the more that you learn, no, you go get your own food. Okay, are you hungry? Okay, did mom feed you noodles? Then go talk to mom. She'll help you out. Okay. No, definitely no FOMO. You got to take the right, you just got to know and have the right setup, you know, just trust your instincts, trust what you've learned. The reason is because then you have like things like ES, and, you know, if you're marking out everything that's going on ES, let me set up my volume profile first. Let's just see kind of what we have. See, oh, there's a lot to the upside here. Let me check the 1 minute volume. Oh yeah. Volume's going. See, this is a nice looking setup. That looks like it's gonna pop. So definitely no FOMO. That one looks like it's gonna pop. Maybe it is gonna pop. Everybody pop it up and pop it down. Coming at you, WNBC. If you're watching me, you're watching live. I got to do my radio voice. You know, back in 1976, there was a band by the name of the B Street Funktown. Funktown was a really good band. Oh, maybe not. Okay, let's go to the 1 minute on this one. Oh, I was on the 15. Let's go to the 5 minute on the MES. Ooh, see, that's a decent little pullback. We wicked down. Oh, but we're bearish right now, so I don't want to take a call if the market's been bearish, because you need to trade the wave. And if you're trading against the wave, you're going to have a bad time every time. So but see, look at that thing pop. Let me look at my points here. Let's see, 90. If we get all the way up here, that would be let's go back to NQ. NQ's a lot more fun. Okay, so you can see the NQ is faltering here. It keeps trying to push up a little bit, but we have lower lows and lower highs. So I don't think they're going to want to come up here and reclaim this, to be quite honest with you. Boom, 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 boom. Welcome to my live stream. If I have anybody on here, if you're watching me, cool. I am live trading futures. There's this thing called a Tradeify Cup. I'm going to show it to you guys. And if you entered in, that's great. But there's two stages. There's a qualifier round and the group stage. Qualifier round is what we're in right now. I am at number 4305. Not advancing, but it's because I haven't taken a trade. It just opened up today and we have all week long to not take a trade. And to be honest with you, I would prefer to not take a trade over take a trade because I want to keep my capital. If you look at a lot of these folks right here, ooh, they've hit that trailing drawdown 47.5. They're gone. They're gone. You hit that negative $2,500 on a drawdown and you gone. You out. But then you got these guys. Oh, hello. We have a new leader, RamZ222. What? Oh, Poop Trades is not there anymore. Oh, snap. Wow, let me look at that right there. You got to watch that leaderboard closely. Look, we have a few. 61529, 58852. Okay, I see what we're doing here. Okay, we're going to have to... Yeah, we're going to have to... We have to see what kind of trade we can take here. Now, the market could go up or it could go down. You just never know. If Trump were in the news, then the market could do anything, to be quite honest with you. But okay. See, this is where it gets a little bit tricky for us, especially on NQ. Let me look at my volume here. So there's not really much to this point. From here to here, there's not much. So the bulls are going to want to push it up to reclaim some. I don't know. I just don't feel good about that one. Let me go to ES here. See, ES, trade the wave, go with the flow. It's bearish, but you have a bullish pullback right here. I mean, look at all those orders. Yeah. Lots of orders there. Lots of orders here. It's going to want to go back. I guarantee it. It's going to want to go back. I guarantee it. Okay, what was I chatting about a minute ago? Oh, yeah, the Tradeify Cup. Okay, so this is the Tradeify Cup. And you have $50,000. It was free to enter. $50,000 as a balance. And your job is to be within the top 1,000 by the end of this week. You get into the top 1,000 by the end of this week, you're making it onto the group stage. And the group stage is where I think all the fun is going to happen, to be honest. I haven't taken a trade. I just barely started. So I am just going to chill back and listen to some tunes and watch this ES. Watch this ES probably shoot up, to be honest. I didn't even mark anything on that one. I can just tell. Look at that. I got 3 EMAs, the 9, the 200, and the 51. Oh, yeah. They get, so when you're in that second round of the group stage, so yeah, so qualifier right now is they don't eliminate anybody until the end of the week, and then you have well, only the top 1,000 make it, and then the group stage it's 1v1. I mean, it's straight up like sharpshooter, and there's a bit of a strategy you got to use with that one. I was talking to my friend about which strategy to use, and they were like, man, you just got to see first if the person you're up against tanks themselves. If they tank themselves, boom, you're golden. If they don't tank themselves, then you have a little bit of a challenge ahead of you. But it just depends. I mean, I don't know. Look what we have going on. I mean, today is the opening day. We started at 50,000. Rams 222 already has 61,459 of a balance. What? That means that he's made $11,459 today on this competition, and I have yet to take a trade. So I am rank number 3661 right now. Look at that. I'm telling you, a lot of these people are just going to get, they're just going to, oh, now I'm ranked 4434. Ugh. It's because I haven't taken a trade. Whoa, dude. Wall Street Matt. Look at Wall Street Matt go. 63326. Man, Wall Street Matt knows what's going on. Okay. Let's see what these guys are trading. You know, maybe we'll see. Are they trading NQ? Yeah, they must be trading NQ. Yeah, that is nuts, to be quite honest with you. Let me see what I got here. I'm gonna enter into a trade here. I know I can scalp something. Now I don't want to have an unemotional trade, but you know, people say that you don't want to have emotions while you're doing this stuff. I'm very much a non-emotional person, but sometimes you just got to get feisty. You got to get with the trade. You got to rock this trade. You got to show this trade who the boss is.
Don't be an emotional person.
That's right. That's right. Okay, silver and NQ. Yeah, they could be trading silver. Let me take a look at what silver's got going on today. That's crude oil, micro, Dow. Where's my silver at? Natural gas. There's a fun one to trade if you ever want to trade natural gas. Where's my silver at? Crude, euro, gold, natural gas, Dow. Did I pass my silver? Oh, well, maybe I never had silver up here. I don't know. Look at gold go. Look at gold go down. Mm-hmm. Now let's go to crude oil. Here's some. Oh, hello. We going up? I wonder if there's something going on in the Straits of Hormuz. If there's ever any war going on, then oil goes through the roof. But let's go to NQ. Yeah, NQ is pretty much all but stalled out. I'm going to go over here one more time, just refresh, because I'm curious. I'm curious to see where these guys are at. 63326. Holy smokes. Okay. I got to get on my game. But I'm not going to chase. That's for darn sure. I got to get on my game and not chase. All right. Now, if I remember how YouTube Live works, a lot of people will click on there if they enjoy the content. But there's a lot of people that always say, like, I'm going to smash the button. I'm going to smash the button. Oh my gosh, I am going to smash this button. If you don't like and subscribe, I am going to smash this button. Come on, we all know who those guys are. They're kind of fun. I'm going to smash this button. I'm going to pull the alarm, you guys. I'm going to pull the alarm. Okay, maybe I should trade like that. I'm going to trade. I am going to trade any minute now. I'm going to push the buy or the sell market. We have increased volume. We're going down. We are going to want to take out some of these lows before we head on higher. If we want to head on higher, I don't know about that. I think I'm going to enter a trade at any minute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm done with that nonsense, but it's kind of funny. I'm going to enter a trade. Actually, maybe I'll keep doing that. It's kind of a way to psych myself out. Okay, we're at the 5-minute chart. Let's go to the 1 minute here. Let's see what kind of trades we can get. Oh, if we bounce. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. There we go. If we tap into this, I might do a bounce reject. No, maybe not. Oh, hero. How many points is that? 21, 249. It's a good 30-point drop if I get it. Now I'm going to enter this trade and it's going to wick me out, but let's look at the time frame. Okay, we just opened up a 5-minute candle, and we're looking. Let's go ahead and enter into that. That's a continuation, and let's go, let's go. Give me just a couple of spots. Oh, it's gonna stop me out. Maybe not. Here we go. I'm in a trade right now. I'm gonna get out. Boom, 65 bones. Oh, and if I would have kept it going, it would have gone higher. I felt, oh my gosh, we have a continuation. FOMO's kicking in right now, you guys. FOMO is kicking in. I should have kept that trade. I thought that was gonna happen. But you know, I'll take a victory. I'll take one win to start this competition off, you guys. That is one win to start this competition, this Tradeify competition off. Look at that. Look at that go. Boom. That boy is bouncing. All right, you know what? I'm going to go to the 5 minutes. See, if I would have kept that and taken it off, whew, definitely not. Well, maybe FOMO was right. Got me. Okay, now that I've taken that trade and I am up $65 on it, let's see how much it moved my spot up. See, 50, 65. Oh, I can't. You guys can't see that, can you? Oh, I'll have to change that setting. I'll show you guys all my profits and losses. I don't mind that at all. I don't know if it updates real time. You would think it would. No, it doesn't update real time, but I have no issues showing my profits and my losses because let's be honest. Oh, does that have any more? Does that have any more? I don't know about that. I kind of like that whole psych up thing to it. I'm going to push the button. I'm going to hit trade. No, I'm not. Not right now. I'm going to sell, 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 sell. Time to sell. Time to sell. Time to sell. Ooh, I think it is time to sell, actually. That has lost its steam. It wants to go down and reclaim some of those numbers down there. I'm going to go ahead and enter in a trade here. It's going to go down and reclaim some of those bad boys. This is where you got to trust the process. Maybe it's going to go down there. I'm on the 5 minute or 1 minute. Oh, trading the 5 minute. Ruh-roh. Uh-oh, I better get out of this trade fast. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, I'm in a trade short right now. I'm in a trade short. I thought that was going to bounce, reject, and go to the moon, so I was in a trade long. It did a pretty decent job. I think the bulls wanted it a little bit. The bears came in, and maybe not. Maybe they're gonna stomp me out of this one. Okay, you guys might see my first loss here in the competition on the live stream. We're gonna see here. I'm gonna let this one play out a little bit. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it has the courage to slow down and go down. The courage to slow down and go down, because I'm going to be getting out of this one really soon. I don't like where this one's headed. Sometimes you just got to take a deep breath, you know? Sometimes you just got to take a deep, deep breath. Take a deep breath and get out of the trade if it's not looking good. The bulls want it. The bulls want it, but the bears are saying rawr. The bears are definitely saying rawr on this one. Okay. Oh, here comes a close of the 5 minute candle. There we go. Let's see if my stop loss here is gonna hit. I'm gonna set a stop probably around 290. When did I enter? 988. 28. So it's 40-point stop. Let's see. Yeah, I got to get out of that one. I do not like that. So, okay, that was a loss. You guys see that? Just as easy as you win, you lose. You win some and you lose some. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, so if we go to the Tradeify Cup, we can see what rank I am now. Maybe not. Oh, hey, it showed my rank earlier. That's funny. Okay. That is funny. Okay, so I have one winning trade, one losing trade. I thought that this was going to have, I thought this one had a pullback. I saw some momentum to the bottom. I thought I wanted to take out these lows again. It did not. I was wrong about that one. That's for darn sure. But you know, that happens. That's the thing with trading is you win some and you lose some. And it's a good thing you got some stop losses in place. It's a good thing that you kind of visualize, see what's happening here. Now let's go ahead and just erase all the drawings that we have. We're going to try a new volume profile here. Let's go to this one on over. Okay. This is going to show us where all the orders are. Yeah, so this is looking to stay pretty choppy. Let's go to ES here. See, you think you want to short it, but I don't know. No, I used to trade options. I still do trade options every once in a while. Options are a lot of fun to trade. It's just a more micro version of futures. Futures, I think, are a lot more forgiving. Options, they really don't give you any options if you lose a lot of money. Forex, I never really delved into that, mainly because I'm new. I haven't been trading for years, so man, if that thing goes down just a little bit more, look at that, man. Wild market. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna hold off on that one for a while. Just kind of watch it. Good $175 win, $260 loss. Let me see if they updated my rank in the Tradeify thing. Oh no, man! Wall Street Matt 60. Man, he's made. See, we started at 50,000. He made $15,000 so far on trades, and you can trade as much as you want per trade. That's the beauty of this thing, man. There is no. Yeah. Options are so scary. They go fast. You have to. It's a percentage game. I mean, everything's a percentage game, but that is definitely a percentage game on that one. Man. All right, you see this right here? This volume profile. This is a nice little tool. You have to update it all of the time on Tradeivate because if you don't, it's going to give you whack perspective. Okay, so you see all these orders here. I mean, this looks like a bell curve. So we're going to come down. It's going to see if we have some orders coming in. See, if I would have stayed in that trade, I would be in the positive now. But I'm glad I got out. Yeah, and I'm just gonna sit here and wait. Actually, go use the potty. I'll be right back. Now, don't you guys go anywhere on me. I'm gonna be right back, and we're gonna see if this trade goes up or down. And you know, in the meantime, we're gonna rock out to some music. Rock out with the clocks. Okay. Let's see if we can get an updated volume profile. Look at all those come in. Ooh. Darka. Looks like we got a lot going on now. It doesn't want to take out these lows. Looks like we have tons of buying coming up here. Tons of folks that are stuck down in here. They're trapped. Oh, no, we just turned it around. Ha! Now these fools are getting trapped. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit, actually. Okay. All right, I'll be right back. How are you doing with it? Yo, 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 I am back. The real OG of trading coming at ya. WNBC. We are playing all of the hip hop and R&B music. Actually, we're not playing any hip hop and R&B music. We're just playing some background music because we are trading live. This is NQ or ES, depending on where you want to go. I mean, we get into it. If you want to get into it, we'll get into it. But the reality is we are trying to win the Tradeify Grand Cup. This Grand Cup right here. If you look at, I'm going to refresh this information. You have Wall Street Matt. He is up $15,000. This tells you how many trades I've taken for the day. I was up $60, but then I took a bad trade, had a loss of $260. But that's okay because I'm not hitting my trailing drawdown. They have a $2,500 trailing drawdown. Now, I don't know about that trailing drawdown. I don't know if it's going to be one of those things that you want to worry about. Actually, I do know you're going to want to worry about this. See, this is where I don't like trading. It just get stuck in this nonsense. Let me go back here. Oh, man. Okay, this is where trading gets pretty boring. This is where you have to be patient. Hey, if you're in the chat and you're listening to me, how long have you been doing trading, man? Did you just start? You've been doing it for a long time? If you're brand new getting into this, I say stay the course. Stay the course. This is probably one of the best things that you can do to make money besides go out there and get a job. But who wants to get a job? I know I don't. That's right, coming at you. We don't want to get a job. We just want to do some trading. But some people would say that trading is a job. It certainly is emotional. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's share this stream with all of your friends. Do you guys remember that? Chocolate rain. Dum 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 dum. Chocolate rain. Okay, so it looks like we have a very, 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 very valid level of support here. Look at that. I'm gonna get my horizontal line going. If we tap into that one more time, we are going to go down. Although we have a lot of volume profile up there. Let me take a gander. Anybody else out there have children that ask their parents for their computers? How much longer until I can go on my computer? I want to go on your computer right now, Mom. Well, you know, that's a great question. If I would have been patient there, I would have been able to get out. And that would have been a good win. But I am a dad, so, you know, as a dad, you have to be a dad. And you have to be adaptable. That's right, everybody. I have dad jokes galore. Okay, so we're going to be doing some trading here. I like to do voices when I'm trading because I have a microphone, and playing with the microphone is a lot of fun. Also, I think this microphone blocks out a lot of the roundabout noise, but I could be wrong. Now, if you're watching this live stream, I suggest that you keep watching it because it's a good live stream. It's probably one of the best live streams I've been on, to be honest with you. You know, I would say oftentimes my family and kids like to watch media, and I have to sit there and watch them watch media. It's pretty good. But sometimes I don't want to watch them watch media, but I do like to do lectures. So if I had a good lecture for them, I would say, hey, I have a good lecture for you guys. But nobody likes lectures. I don't know if I have anybody. Look, you can check the analytics right here, eh? Coming at you, you can check the analytics. Hey, we have a few people watching. That's fun. Look at that. And then you can see right up here, this is us. See that? You can move the camera this way so it shows us just a little bit.
Beautiful. I'm beautiful.
Coming at you, we are going to slay. We are going to skibbity. We are going to be going downtown Charlie Brown. Now, Addie, do you know what's going on with the stock market right now? Can you tell me? Do you think should I buy or sell? What do you think I should do? Well, my daughter doesn't know what to do. We have a doji star on the 5 minute. Now, if you look at the doji star on the 5 minute, I have a little cheat sheet down here. I'll have to show you guys the cheat sheet. Yes, I got one of these. It's a cheat sheet. Tells you what to look for. See that cheat sheet? We have a doji. See that doji? As my daughter says, slay diva. Slay diva. I don't know what slay diva means. I just know that it means that it's going to be awesome. So let me take a look here. Father. Yes, slay. Oh, my daughter's doing some sign language to me. Can you guys believe that? My daughter's doing some sign language. I cannot believe that. Look at NQ really just tanking today. Well, that's just going to be liquidity for us for later on. That's for darn sure. You know, we can do 1 contracts instead of doing 5 micros. We can play around with 1 mini. Just means you can lose more. But not lose more. That would be not bueno. Ok, vamos a hablar en español porque podemos hablar español. Para los hispanos que están tratando de hacer un trading, por favor, venga, venga, venga. Venga, venga, venga. Si tú hablas español, comparte ese live stream con toda tu gente. Vamos a aprender cómo hacer el trading. Vamos a ganar dinero. Vamos a hacer el Tradeify Cup. Mira, mira lo rank que estoy. Ay, coño, qué diablo que estoy. Mira eso. Oh. Quinto 1231. Wall Street Matt. 65 de ganancias. ¡Qué cosa bárbara! ¡Ay, qué cosa! No me digas lo que pasa. Vamos a hacer trading. Mira lo que hay con el InQ. Mira lo que hay con el InQ. Aparece bajando como un oso. Tenemos el oso, el mercado está osado ahora. Eso es una palabra que apenas... Bueno, mira, yo hablo español y yo puedo hablar español casi, no perfectamente, pero yo tengo un acento del Dios, de el Dios. Pues hay muchas palabras que no entiendo muy bien. Bueno, sí entiendo las palabras, pero hay a veces que no puedo traducir tanta de inglés a español, a español a inglés. Depende de lo que sepa, ¿no? Y en el mercado de oso, traduzco que va bajando. Eso es el traducimiento de eso, que va bajando. Si vaya bajando, hay que vender, 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 vender todo. Venda, venda, venda. Hay una vendanza. No venganza, pero vendanza de cosas, ¿sí? Si lo venda, si lo venda. Ok. Nosotros hablamos español y inglés. Podemos hablar Spanish. Sí, pero tenemos los Estados Unidos aquí. Mira, mira la bandera. Aquí está la bandera de Estados Unidos, pero sí hablamos español porque nosotros tenemos un país mezclado. O sea, hay un montonazo de personas en este país de ambas partes del mundo. Eso es porque nadie nos puede ganar. Es porque ya tenemos todo las personas de cada esquina del mundo. Tenemos todos los personas perfectos. ¿Cómo podemos perder? No podemos perder. Como en el mercado. Ahora estoy perdiendo en el mercado. Jokes, jokes. Hay que hacer los jokes. Okay, my son's playing a little bit of Rainbow Six Siege, and that's looking very entertaining to me. But let's be honest with ourselves. I don't really want to play Rainbow Six Siege. Sí, sí, estaba hablando español, mija. Mi hija me estaba preguntando si hablo español. Lo que ella no sepa es que sí, hablo español. Me encanta hablar español. ¿Por qué? Yo puedo conectar y puedo charlar con las personas en español. ¿Cómo es el mercado? Mi pobre hija, ella no sabe dónde va ese mercado. ¿Va arriba o va abajo? Va por todos lados, va por todos lados. No sé. Ay, ella está tratando de hablar japonés. Órale, órale, carnalcita. Órale, carnalcita. Ella está hablando. Está hablando. Ella está tratando de hablar inglés. Muchísimas gracias. Okay, back to the English here. Okay, so we're just going to be patient. There's not much going on. The market's so slow right now. I think I missed a lot of my early setups, but that's okay because it's the Asian market. Do I want to be awake all night long trading? Yes. Am I going to be awake all night long trading? No. Ooh, I was wrong on this one. That's just going down, down, down. Where it stops, nobody knows. It's going down, down, and an illy around. And sugar, it's going down swinging. We're on MES right now. That's micro E-mini S&P 500, or MES as they like to say. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to change up this webcam just a little bit here. You know, this whole live streaming thing is interesante. Interesante. Look, I can move me up. I can move me down. I can move me anywhere in here. You got to be crazy to trade. I mean, let's be honest with ourselves. If you're not crazy, are you even trading? Probably not, to be honest. Or, wait a minute, if you're not trading, are you even crazy? Who knows? Okay, you can see that I put the volume profile on here earlier. I'm going to go ahead and take that one off right now. Let's clear out all of these. Remove all the drawing objects. Let's get a volume profile. What are we on, the 5 minute? Let's do a volume profile on the last couple of minutes. Boom, chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka boom. Look at that. There is nothing to sweep on the upside. We are just going to sell here. There's no volatility. Watch, once I say that, though, that's when all the market makers watch me and they go, wait. He's going to say he's going to sell. That one person's going to sell. So buy. Buy. Only one person is going to sell it. Nah. Okay, let's see where I'm at here. Still 5,231. I am falling back, you guys. I got to get some wins here. Got to get some wins here. Yeah, NQ's stuck. It's stuck in a chop fest. Call your sisters, call your moms, call your dads, call the butcher because we are chopping. It is chop it down. Chop it down to Chinatown. I'm gonna chop it down to Chinatown. Listen to me sing. I wanna sing right now. You can hear me in the background. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, that's what I'll do. That's a good idea. Charge that thing. Okay, you guys, I'm back now. I'm back, ready to rock and roll. Okay, oh, look at that. Is it going to dump? Should we sell it? Is it going to dump? I think it does. I think if we make it down here, it's going to dump. But check this out. I have a key. I have a, whatever this thing's called. Never mind. Okay, as a trader, you're going to want to have all of the nourishments and nutrients that a body can handle. And I go to Emergency Ration Food Bar. ER Bar, 2,400 calories and so good. ER Bar is a fantastic nutritional bar that is made for boating, getting lost in the wilderness, or trading. This is what that bar looks like. Now, call 1-800-ER-BAR if you want a good lemon bar. Mm-hmm. 945. 972. That would be a nice little 30-point move. I happen to like the bounce rejects. Hi, Tasha. Do you want to come say hi into the microphone? Come say hi. Okay, go close the door. All right, you guys are going to meet my cousin right now. My cousin has a thing called autism. Oh, I knew I should have taken that trade. That was going down like crazy.
Hi, guys.
All right, we're going to go ahead and have a little interview with my cousin Tasha here. Now, Tasha, why don't you go ahead and say hi to YouTube?
Hi.
Why don't you tell YouTube what's going on? Tell them about yourself.
I go to program every day, and I'm pretty happy with my life.
Okay, so Tasha goes to program every day, and she's pretty happy with her life. Now,
Yeah.
Tasha, what is going on with these lines here? Do you know?
It's looked like it's going down a little bit.
It's going down. See, even Tasha knows. So when it's going down, do you buy or do you sell?
I'm not sure.
Well, nobody really is, Tasha. That's the thing, is nobody really is sure.
Yeah.
But that's cousin Tasha.
Hi.
As you can see, Tasha is awesome.
Yeah, Timmy's awesome.
See, you can even see yourself right there in the camera, Tasha. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna have to have a day where all we do is talk to Tasha and we meet Tasha, huh?
Yes.
Go ahead and like and subscribe, Tasha.
Go ahead, like and subscribe.
That's right. You say like and subscribe.
Like to subscribe.
That's right. And you say, oh, hello. Okay, we're gonna have a sell going on here right now, Tasha.
Cool.
All right, what do you think about that? It's gonna tap into that lower part.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think it's just gonna dump?
I don't know.
Well, we are gonna find out if it does, aren't we?
Yes.
We are in a trade right now. Oh, they don't like us. They're trying to come back.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, we had a lot of selling pressure. Here we go. Yep. Oh, there we go, baby.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, that was a fast trade. That was like the quick and the draw of the dead right there. Oh my goodness. I was not paying attention to that one, Tasha.
I know, huh?
Mm-hmm. I should have been paying more attention there, you guys.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I didn't hit a take profit, but I also didn't get a stop loss, and so I'm doing pretty good.
Yeah, you're doing pretty good.
I'm doing pretty good. Shake my hand, Tasha. Shake my hand. And why don't you tell all the YouTube people more about shaking my hand?
Timmy's is the best.
That's right. I'm the best. Now, Tasha, ¿habla español?
Poquito.
Ah, Tasha, habla un poquito español.
Sí.
Díganos en español.
Hello, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Es lo que dice Tasha.
Me llamo Tasha.
That's right. Her name is Tasha. And if you're ever hungry, Tasha, I recommend getting an ER bar. You see, the ER bars are 2,400 calories, and they are perfect for emergency ration food provisions. This is a 3-day supply, and they have 6 410-calorie rations. Now, I don't know if anybody out there in TV land has ever eaten rations before, but it is the trader's thing to do. Okay.
Oh, I got myself an EPT card. It says my name on it.
I don't know, Tasha. That's something for later on, okay? Right now, we're talking about this. Oh, I am so glad I was able to get out of that trade. I thought it was going to dump. It did not. Good thing I watched the momentum go. And we have some momentum to the upside right now. Look at all this volume we have, Tasha.
Yeah.
You know what I mean, Tasha?
Yeah.
Look at all of that volume we have. Is it going to tank?
I don't know.
I think it might, Tasha. We just hit a... Well, I don't know, actually. Let me come look over here.
It's trying to go up.
It is trying to go up. You're absolutely right. And if it's trying to go up, you know what that means, right?
Money, dinero.
Money, money, dinero. Everybody loves dinero.
Where did you get my EPT
Tasha,
card?
we talk about that tomorrow. That's a tomorrow conversation, okay?
All right.
That's not a today conversation.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
I take one of these cards?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, you look handsome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was so nice of you to say that about me.
You're welcome. We'll have a conversation.
Yeah, we're going to have a conversation tomorrow. Right now, I'm trying to focus on this trading competition, Tasha.
All right, good job, Timmy.
Thank you so much, Tasha. That's my cousin, everybody. Everybody knows my cousin.
Hi,
Everybody loves my cousin. You know, she's the nicest. Actually, she's mean. She's not nice. Who are we? Who we're talking about? She is not very nice at all. Now, it came down and it took out that bottom like it was nobody's business. I entered a trade thinking, maybe we're gonna have a continuation going down. I could have gotten out of here. I saw it going back up. Got out for a $5 win. $5 is $5. $5 is worth at least 5 crispy chicken sandwiches. That's for sure. $5 is worth 5 crispy chicken sandwiches, and that's how we do. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna text Caden. Oh, except for he's watching the girls. Money, money, money. Everybody loves the money. What in the world? Chicken jockey. Chicken jockey? Chicken jockey, Andrew, or no? It's retracing back up. Okay, we have some pretty bullish momentum retracing back up. Let me look at this really fast. We're going to remove all drawing objects. Let's go into the regression. No, not regression. I don't want that. I want volume profile. Let's see from here on out. Okay. Yeah, see, it's going to come back down. There's no volume for it to go to. So, maybe I was wrong. Coming at you, we are trading in Q. Okay, so this is futures trading 101. We are trying to win, or at least be the top 1,000 traders that are going to advance after Monday, May 25th. We are currently 5,286 ranked. Matt from Wall Street, Matt, is number 1. And dang, you know, this is a competitive competition. You can I'll show my profit and loss all day long. You see that? So we are going to get into this one more time. Let's get into it, you guys. Let's get into this. Let's figure out what we got going on here. We got to focus up. It's time to focus up. Everybody needs to focus up. Everybody needs to focus down. Everybody needs to stop clowning around, because here is the thing. I am going to talk like Mr. Beast. Wait, no, that's Mr. Beast. Okay, what are we on? We're in the 1 minute right now. Let's go to the 5 minute and just see kind of what we have set up for ourselves. Oh my goodness. Let's get rid of this volume profile drawing and do another one. Money, money, money. Da, na, 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 na. Okay. Okay, we are trading futures in Q. This music is not very good. We're going to find a different music to listen to. The only time Lego even got close to that was when they made the Bigfoot minifigure for the Series 14 pack. The theme of this pack was monsters, so every minifig in here is a well-known monster that doesn't actually exist. At least that's what most people think. You see, the thing is, there's an entire community of people who what is going on right now? Okay, let's go ahead and notice anything about the minifigure now? He's literally holding a camera. This is a clear joke from Lego about the fact that there's no real evidence that this monster exists, and yet so many people money. This honestly could have landed Lego in some hot water. I mean, it's not often that they do anything even remotely controversial, but a post they made on Facebook and Twitter back in 2019 definitely didn't age well. It all starts with Elon Musk reviewing the Cybertruck. Yes, well, that's sponsor. I don't want that. Let's try this one. Elon was hyping it up to no end, but the rest of the world didn't really agree. Everybody just thought it was ugly, including Lego. And to show that, they made this post. They literally remade the Cybertruck out of like 5 pieces and called it the evolution of the truck, which is probably something Elon said, if we're being honest. You know, now that I'm seeing this, it's no wonder Lego rejected the Cybertruck on Lego Ideas. I mean, they literally memed it the day it got announced. Anyways, getting back to some actual memes, there's a super big one in the Jurassic Park movie called Shirtless Malcolm. Well, we got to listen to some ads here, but that's all right. That is all right. Now, look at this. What is this? What is this doing? I think we have some manipulation going on right now. I think the big and he even has his shirt open and sweat all over his body, which are obvious references to the meme. Now, even though you can't recreate the position he was sitting in, it's still pretty obvious why Lego did this. It's gotten to the point, though, where even fans have started making memes out of Lego, like what JK Extras did for the Homer Simpson meme. Just like someone submitted a Lego version of the This Is Fine meme to Lego Ideas. Now, unfortunately, it did get rejected, but this proves that people really do. Turn this down and bring your birthday present over here. Yeah. Listen, my boy had a birthday, and for his birthday, he got himself some really, really nice looking things, and I wanted to kind of show you guys this cool thing. If you smell what my boy is cooking, let's all take a look here. We're going to come over here to the side here, and he's going to show us right here. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. That is a wrestler and a half right there. It does not get any better than that wrestler. My boy has this wrestler, and he can do a RKO on it. He can do a DDT. He can do a leg lock. He can do pretty much anything that you want him to do, to be honest with you. Now, the one concern that I have is, are my decibels going to make it to where we can trade? Buy or sell? Okay, what do we do? Do we buy or sell at this point, you guys? If we buy, it's good. If we sell, it's no good. Unless it's good and we buy and we sell. I mean, here's the thing. We got to figure this one out, you guys. We got to figure this one out. Now, this is cray-cray. This is rough riders. We're going to stop, drop, shut them down, and open up shop. If I've ever had to do that, then now is the time for me to do that. I'm going to do a little bit of rapping. Sometimes to help me calm down, I like to rap a little bit. So let's go ahead and interact with the music. Let's go ahead and type in here. Let's just type in here. Rap. Background. Beat. Yeah, here we go. Yo, gonna flow like H2O. Gonna flow like a volcano. What's up? Little boy want me to look at him. Champion coming up. He's a 10. Check out my champion boy. Coming up with that belt, yo. Everybody knows that he's my boy. Nobody can toy. My champion boy is the champion of the world. Yeah, that belt be up in these. Everybody knows it's scary to be a trader. He, champion boy, up in here. Everybody knows that champion who knows is clear. Everybody get down, everybody don't clown. I'm the real lyricist in this mo in town. Don't get up, don't get down. All you gotta do is clown. Real time updated live. Nobody knows my jive. Everybody want to Clive. Get that trampoline. Get that champion clean. Everybody knows that our name is not Mr. Clean. Freestyle king up in the house, gonna trade. Everybody knows that's what's up. Hey boy, get me some water, please. Here, please, come on, I need water. I'm gonna be in a trade here. I need some water. Dun 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 refrigerator dun 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 volume profile dun dun dun. My boy knows. He knows how to close in doors. Everybody knows how to get the water source. What you doing? What you thinking? Nobody knows what clown I'm making. Nobody knows my name, only knows my game. Everybody knows my fame. Nobody knows I came insane.
This is brain rot. He's not doing.
There you go. Now sing normal.
He is brain rot. I don't know what he's singing, cause he is the brain rottest guy I know. I don't know, cause my birthday was yesterday.
Coming at you twice. Everybody knows what's right. Nobody knows my name, but they know my game. I got some crazy feedback happening. When you know my game, my happening. Everybody knows my flow is like H2O. I'm gonna flow and blow like a motherfucking volcano.
I don't know what he's singing, it's not fun. I don't know what he's singing, it's not fun. He is not doing it right, it's not fun to listen to this little shit swinging, singing. I don't want to know what he's doing. He is being a little bitch right now.
Okay. All right, maybe we should just calm down. Yo, coming at you live. This is Power 106, blazing all the hip hop and R&B.
Stop singing.
Okay. Now, are we gonna go high or are we gonna go low, Andrew? What do we gotta do here? What do you think we're gonna do?
We're gonna go low.